Want a quicker and easier way to add professional looking edges to your sewing projects? Well, let me introduce you to the 2-inch swing away binder for sewing machines. This binder automatically glides and folds binding tape, facing, and webbing over the edge of fabric as you sew. With this tool, you can easily finish the edges of dodgers, awnings, biminis, sails, and more. This swing binder features an exclusive stop screw which prevents the binder from jumping over its frame and being pulled into the needle when sewing heavy items. This stop is a must when using a powerful walking foot sewing machine. This binder attachment works with any 2-inch tape or facing, including Sombrella facing, Stamoid facing, webbing, and custom cut fabric tapes. You can also use this binder to install Dacron sail tape on sail edges. This binder will work with fabric assemblies that can be compressed to about 5 millimeters thick, and it even feeds and folds sewn splices neatly. A benefit of using 2-inch binding is that it gives you the width and thickness to add snaps to the edges of your application. This multi-use 2-inch binder can be installed on most cast iron sewing machine beds as long as there are 2 holes to the right of the needle plate. This includes all Sailrite sewing machines. This tool attaches to the machine with 2 screws and can be adjusted to fit your machine. To make it easy to get yours, we've linked this 2-inch swing away binder in the description below, so make sure to check that out. And if you want to see more Sailrite products in action, make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss one of our videos.